In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive a Monday.com board. Archiving boards on Monday.com is a great way to keep your workspace tidy and focused by temporarily removing projects or boards you don't currently need. But what happens when you need to bring one of those archived boards back into action? Maybe the project is back on, or perhaps you archived a board by mistake. Whatever the reason, unarchiving a board is simple. And in the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the process step by step. First, you need to navigate to your Monday.com homepage. This is where all your active projects and boards are displayed. It's your starting point and the gateway to accessing your archived boards. Simply open your preferred web browser and log into your Monday.com account. Once logged in, you'll land directly on this homepage. Next, it's time to access your profile, located in the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find your name or profile picture. By clicking on it, a drop-down menu will appear. This menu is essentially the control panel for your user settings and various account options, including the archive section. Now from the drop-down menu, select Archive. This is where Monday.com stores all your archived projects and boards. Think of it as a storage room where nothing gets thrown away, but everything is out of sight until you need it again. When you click on Archive, you'll be taken to a new page displaying all the boards you've archived previously. At this stage, you'll see a list or thumbnails of all your archived boards. It might be a trip down memory lane, seeing all the projects you've worked on in the past, but let's stay focused. Scan through the list until you find the board you wish to unarchive. It might be helpful to remember the name of the board or the project it was associated with to make your search easier. Once you've located the board in question, the final step is to click on Restore. Every archived board will have this option, symbolizing its potential return to your active boards list. The Restore option breathes life back into your projects, making them active and accessible once again. By clicking Restore, the selected board will immediately be moved out of the archive and back into your main dashboard or the specific folder it was in before being archived. And that's it. You've successfully unarchived a board on Monday.com. The board is now back among your active projects, ready for you to pick up right where you left off. Whether it's to resume work on a once paused project or to correct an accidental archive, the process is efficient and straightforward, just like we like it. A couple of tips before we wrap up. First, consider reviewing your archived boards every so often. It's a good practice to keep your workspace streamlined and to ensure no board is left behind unless intentionally. Secondly, if you're working in a team, communicate about archiving and unarchiving boards. This prevents confusion and ensures everyone is on the same page about what's actively being worked on. By following these simple steps, you not only maintain a clean and organized Monday.com workspace, but also ensure that no work ever gets lost in translation or, in this case, archiving. Remember, archiving is not deleting. It's merely a way to declutter your visual workspace while keeping all your work intact and retrievable at any moment. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Whether you're new to Monday.com or looking to refine your workspace management skills, I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy organizing, and see you in the next video.